Hey everyone. So it's Miss Sarah Sublett. I get caught up in saying Miss Sublett, but you guys are my friends, so you can call me Sarah. Anyway, so I just wanted to do a little tutorial on how to use Screencastify because it's a really, really good tool and it's free. If it's 5 minutes or less, it's free. Now, if you want to make a longer video, like my lessons are longer, so I paid $29. But just to use to do little tutorials for your students, it's free under 5 minutes. So anyway, I'm going to try to do a Screencastify tutorial while using Screencastify. So I don't know how well this is going to work. So let's just figure it out. Okay, so first you'll Google Screencastify and you'll go through all the steps of signing up. They'll ask for your email, all that jazz. And then once you have an account, you'll need to put it over here on your Chrome icon. And I didn't know how to do that. Like I had no idea how to do that. As you can see, I've learned, and now I have a bunch of icons up here. But what you do is you go to Chrome Store, and you can just Google Chrome Store and just type in the search what you want to add as an icon on your Chrome. Now, if you use Firefox or Internet Explorer, I don't know how to do that, but I think most people use Chrome now. So anyway, you'll just download it as an icon. It's free. And once you have downloaded it as an icon, it might not show up here. You might have to hit the puzzle piece, and then it'll be down here. And then you can decide to pin it to your favorites up here. So once this is up here, as you can see, I have a red dot, so I'm recording. So once this is here, you can go on any screen, okay? You can go on a PowerPoint, you can go on Google, you can go on Google Classroom, any website, anything. And you will go up here and you'll click this button. And this will pop up. And so mine is recording now, so it's not going to be exactly the same, but there will be an option to record, okay? And once you push record, another screen will pop up. Do you want to share your screen or do you want webcam only? If you choose webcam only your face will show up. If you choose share screen, then you'll have, like me, a little tiny box of me with my screen shared. So you'll click share screen if that's what you want to do, and it'll do a countdown of 3 seconds to get yourself ready, and it'll start recording right away. So once it starts recording, you can do anything. You can move around. You can, in your face, like you can see, your face will always show up. You can open up a PowerPoint. I can go over here and open up Classroom. And these are just some older classrooms that I made in the past. And you can do a tutorial with your kiddos on what they need to do in their classroom. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a really good tool. You can do whatever you need to do with it. But it's just really good to be able to show kids what they're supposed to do. So another option with Screencastify is that once you push stop, which I'm not going to because then you won't be able to see me anymore, but once you click stop, a new tab will open up with your video. You can rewatch it, you can delete it, you can download it to your computer, you can download it straight to YouTube if you have a YouTube page. You can get an embedded code right there after you push stop. It's right there. And it goes straight into your Google Drive as well, which is really good. So it's already there, and you just have to put it where you want it. So it goes straight into you can download it straight into YouTube. You can download it straight onto your computer. It automatically goes into your drive. You don't have to push any buttons. It just will automatically go into your drive. And you can also get an embedded code, and you can do whatever you want to with that embedded code. So that's pretty cool. And then all your videos are housed in your Screencastify account, and then it's also going to be on your Google Drive. So the only thing I would suggest is if you are always on the Houstonville drive, you might want to switch over to your personal drive, just so that way we don't get like tons of videos on our Houstonville drive. But if that's something you guys are used to always doing, then that's fine too. I don't really know how you all do it here, but anyway, that's it. So thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Screencastify, let me know.